To give you a big picture of the circuit that you have just implemented in SV, here is the truth table and diagram of a 1-bit full adder using logic gates. To implement an 8-bit full adder, you will connect 8 different 1-bit adders, like this. This whole circuit was implemented using a simple Systemverilog program with only few lines. And this is the beauty of using a hardware description language. Different styles of coding in Systemverilog. Before winding up this session, just understand that the same program can be written in different styles in SV. Here is the program you have seen in previous session. In that, the ports were listed in the first statement, and their directions in the following statements. Instead of that, you can specify the direction of ports within the brackets, in the module line itself. This is shown here. Also, you can combine direction declaration of multiple variables, which are of the same length. If you are using Verilog instead of Systemverilog, the programs will be exactly look the same, except the keyword logic. Logic is a Systemverilog specific keyword, and is not allowed in Verilog HDL.